Hello children, good morning. Let us continue with the topic tenses. In the last video we had talked about what are tenses, what are the types of tenses, and we had also talked about simple present tense. Today we are going to continue with present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. From the name itself we understand continuous, one which continues. So when we say that we are continuing something, then we say ing, that means running, playing, walking. Okay, so here is the format or the rule for present continuous tense. Is mr plus verb plus ing. Now let us see some points in order to remember what is present continuous tense. In order to form the present continuous tense, we add present participle to is, am or are. So along with is, am and are, we add present participle. The present participle is formed by adding ing to the first form of the verb. What is the first form of the verb? If we say, for example, the word play, play, play. So adding ing to the first form of verb makes it the word in the present continuous tense, that is playing, playing. Remember this also, that am is used with I and is used with he, she or it or third person singular noun. Are is used with we, you, they and plural nouns. Let's see one example. She is singing a song, or he is singing a song, or it is playing in the mud. So here we can see the tabular form of how we add I with am. So here you can see I am plus the verb form plus ing. So you can see here we add the present participle of the main verb along with the I am. You are plus the present participle form of the main verb. He, she, it is. We are. You are. They are. So this is called the present tense of to be form. So these verbs or these sentences are of the to be form. So when we say we are going to do something, so to be form plus ing. So this is about the present continuous tense. Here is one more example. Now here you can see the be form plus ing. So you can see here I, he, she, it, you, we, they is the subject plus the verb of the be form. What are the be form verbs? I am, is, are. And here you can see the main verb plus ing. Here some examples are given. Draw plus ing, sleep plus ing, watch plus ing. So let us see how we frame the sentence. I am drawing a picture. He is sleeping in the room, or she is sleeping in the room, or it is sleeping in the room. With you form we use it as you are watching a film, we are watching a film, they are watching a film. So these are some of the sentences in the present continuous tense. Now in the present continuous tense itself, when it is in a question form, then we tell it as interrogative form. Interrogative means question form. Now in interrogative form, the helping verb is used before the subject. In the previous one you might have seen that S plus O plus V. S means subject is first, then the object, and then the verb. So here the helping verbs comes first. So is, am, are plus subject plus verb plus ing form. So let us see one example. Are you going home? So here are is the helping verb, you is the subject, go is the verb plus ing form. So this is how we form the interrogative sentences or in the continuous tense. Now here are some more examples for the interrogative sentences to be formed. Am, are, is, and let us see. Am I working? Are you working? And always in interrogative sentences, don't forget to put a question mark at the end. Is he working? Is she working? Is it working? Are we working? Are you working? Are they working? So these are the sentences in the present continuous tense in the interrogative form. Now let us go for the negative form. What do we mean when we say negative form? When we add not, N-O-T, not, in between the principal verb and the operative helping verb. Now let us see the format. Principal verb is the verb that we use. So here the format is subject plus is, am, are plus not plus verb plus ing. Let us see one example. She is not weeping. So she here is the subject, is the helping verb, not is the word used for the negative form. Weep, W-E-E-P, weep. Weep means to cry. Weep here is the principal verb plus ing. So let us repeat. She is not weeping. Let us take one more example. He is not playing. Again, he is the subject, is the helping verb, not is for the negative form, play is the principal verb, and plus ing. So these are the sentences in the negative form. Now uses of the present continuous tense. How we use? The present continuous tense is used with the words at this time, at present, at the moment, now, nowadays, still, etc. in the following cases. Now these words are used in the following cases. Let us see where these words are used. To describe an action in progress and or the continuity of the action. That means if the sentence is in continuation, then we use the words like at this time, at present, at the moment, now, nowadays, still. The girls are singing a chorus. So here it is in the present continuous tense. To describe an action in progress but not necessarily at the time of speaking. So we may be telling about the tense or the time in progress. So the action is still going on but not necessarily that I am speaking and it is going on just now. So we say India is exporting onions to the Middle East. So just now India is not exporting at the present moment. But this is a statement that is said that India is exporting onions to the Middle East. So it exports. What are you writing these days? So just now, it is not as what are you writing just now, but it is as what are you writing these days. तो आजकल क्या लिख रहे हो? So this is asked to a writer maybe asking about a blog or an article in the magazine. So this is also in the present continuous tense. Here, compiling all three, the sentences that are not negative are affirmative. So, affirmative, negative and interrogative. You have learned about the types of sentences in standard 6 in English grammar. Now, let us compile these sentences and see the present continuous tense in affirmative form, negative form and interrogative form. I am going. I am not going. Am I going? You are going. You aren't going. Are you going? He is going, or she or it is going. He isn't going. Is he going? We are going. We aren't going. Are we going? They are going. They aren't going. Are they going? So, this is all about the sentences in the present continuous tense. Hope you have understood the sentences or sentence formation in the present continuous tense. If you still have any doubt, please feel free to ask me regarding the topic. Thank you. Have a good day.